noticed they were pouring some concrete down the street, so I went and picked some up with my drill-powered hauling cart. This is just what they dumped on the ground after they were done. This thing is powered by a drill. I got a very large sprocket on the back, smallest one I could find on the front, and this little pulley just to keep the chain tight. I got the trigger system working better. I just slide this rod over and it just pushes on the trigger on the drill. And this thing is meant to be walked with, you know, just to help me. Doesn't have to go super fast.